Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we are diving deep into a truly comprehensive kitchen solution, the SENSARTE Ceramic Cookware Sets. This isn't just a few pots and pans, this is a massive 26-piece collection designed to outfit an entire kitchen, and we're going to see if it lives up to the hype. Let's start with what's arguably the most important aspect of modern cookware, health and safety. SENSARTE highlights their ceramic non-stick surface as being non-toxic and free from a laundry list of harmful chemicals like PFOA, PTFE, PFAS, PFOS, lead, and cadmium. This is a significant selling point for anyone concerned about what they're cooking their food on, and it's reassuring to see such a clear statement about the absence of these common toxins. They emphasize that this natural ceramic non-stick is a healthier alternative to traditional Teflon coatings. The claim of naturally non-stick means you should expect excellent food release. They suggest that only a little oil is needed for cooking, which directly supports a healthy, low-fat diet. We'll be putting this to the test to see how well it holds up over time and with various types of cooking. The scratch-resistant nature of ceramic is also a big plus, as it often means your cookware will look better for longer, and you won't have to worry as much about damaging the surface with everyday use. Now, let's talk about the sheer volume of what you get in this 26-piece set. It's quite extensive. You receive a 9.5 and an 11-inch frying pan, which are your go-to staples for almost everything. Then there's a 12-inch sauté pan with a lid, perfect for searing or cooking larger dishes. For soups and stews, you've got a 4.5 quart and a 6.5 quart stockpot, both with lids. Interestingly, they mention that the lids for the frying pans can also be used on the stockpots, which is a clever space-saving design. To round out the pots, there are 2 quart and 3 quart saucepans with lids, ideal for sauces, boiling pasta, or smaller cooking tasks. Beyond the typical pots and pans, this set includes an 11-inch grill pan for that indoor char and a 10-inch crepe pan, complete with a spreader, which is a nice touch for breakfast lovers. But it doesn't stop there. SENSARTE also throws in a silicone spatula, a spoon, and a tong, along with 8 pot protectors to prevent scratching when stacking. This is truly a starter kit for anyone setting up a new kitchen or looking to completely refresh their existing cookware. Ease of cleaning is another feature that SENSARTE emphasizes. They suggest simply wiping with a paper towel or rinsing with water, and recommend hand washing for effortless cleaning. This aligns with the nature of non-stick surfaces, which generally don't require heavy scrubbing. We'll see how true this is after multiple uses and with different types of food. For those with modern kitchens, compatibility with all stovetops is crucial. This set features a 4.8 mm thick stainless steel pan bottom, making it induction cookware. This means it will work on induction, electric, and gas stovetops. The die-cast aluminum construction aims for quick and even heating, maintaining consistent temperatures without hot spots, and they claim it's warp-resistant and durable. Even heating is key to good cooking, and we'll be looking for that consistency. Finally, let's consider the ergonomics and safety of the handles and lids. The anti-scald wood grain Bakelite handles are designed to stay cool during cooking, and they are ergonomically shaped for a comfortable grip. The lids are made of explosion-proof glass, which is a standard safety feature, and they allow you to monitor your food without lifting the lid, helping to retain heat and moisture. Now for our breakdown of the pros and cons. The biggest pro here is the incredible value. A 26-piece set with this many different types of cookware, plus accessories, for a single purchase is remarkable. The emphasis on healthy, non-toxic materials is a strong positive for many consumers. The inclusion of specialized items like the grill pan and crepe pan adds versatility that you don't often find in basic sets. The compatibility with induction stovetops is also a significant advantage. On the flip side, while the ceramic non-stick is healthy, its long-term durability compared to some other non-stick technologies can sometimes be a question mark. We'll need to see how well it holds up to rigorous daily use. Also, with such a large set, storage can become an issue for some individuals, especially in smaller kitchens. While hand washing is recommended for longevity, some users might prefer cookware that is completely dishwasher safe for convenience. Lastly, while the handles are designed to stay cool, they are Bakelite, which is not as heat-resistant as some other materials, so caution is still advised. Overall, the SENSARTE Ceramic Cookware Set is an extremely compelling option for anyone looking to equip their kitchen with a vast array of functional and health-conscious cookware. The sheer quantity, combined with the non-toxic ceramic surface and induction compatibility, offers exceptional value. Link in the description.